Hello all, welcome to my channel Codify with Sonal. Today we will be going through the topic in Java called inheritance. So if you want to check out the topics before inheritance like data types, variables, please go through the Java playlist to know about methods, constructors. So now let's see what is inheritance. So inheritance is the ability of one class to inherit capabilities from another class in Java. Like for example, real life example would be human itself. Like we inherit properties from our parents. It is possible to inherit attributes and methods from one class to another. The inheritance concept is grouped in two categories. Subclass, that's the child class, and superclass, that's the parent class. To inherit, we use the extends keyword. So now why we use extends keyword? Because child class is extending parent class, which means it will extend more capabilities including of parent class. It will have its own as well as its parent class. So it is extending parent. Next, coming types of inheritance. Now let us talk about single inheritance. So there is one class B which is inheriting from class A. One class is inheriting from another class, which is like class B is the child class and class A is the parent class. Now when we come to multi-level, so multi-level we have one class C which is inheriting from class B, and class B is inheriting from class A. It is as good as grandparent, parent and child. Hierarchical. So in this we have two classes inheriting from one same class. Okay, so we'll see all of these types in our demo. So let's start. We'll go to the IDE. So here we are in our IDE, and I'll create a new class. I've already created a project. If you want to see how to create a project, I've done it in my previous tutorials. You can check it out. And so let's say we have a class called animal. Animal class will have its own methods. I will have one variable here as name and one method called public void eat. Animal is eating according to that, and just keeping the method as eat. Then we can just write it here as can eat. Okay, so that's it, and we'll create one child class called as cat, and we will say let cat extends animal. Okay, and I will have one more method here, public void show say sysout my name is, and let us say plus name. So why this is not giving me the error is because it is taking name from the animal class. You see, animal string, it's a string animal dot name. Okay, now let us have a main method here. Okay, and I will create cat equal to new cat, and let us say we'll have the name of the cat as kitty. Cat dot name equal to kitty. Okay, sorry, C. So let us have it as cat dot name equal to kitty, and we say cat dot show. Okay, so let us try this much. First calling this method to see if this name comes up properly, and is it getting actually set by the process of inheritance. So run as Java application, you know this already. So see, my name is Kitty. So what happened is this, when I said cat dot name equal to Kitty, this name refers to the animal class string name, because it is already inherited its variables. Now let's see whether it is inheriting its methods. So let's have cat dot eat. See, Okay, so again let's run it. My name is Kitty. Okay, can eat. Okay, so this is single inheritance. What we saw, one class is inheriting the other class using its variable names, using its method name, and it is easily able to use it, and it has its own methods also. Now let us see multi-level inheritance. So to go for multi-level inheritance, I create one more class called as baby cat. Okay. Now, as we saw in the diagram before, one class is inheriting another class, and that another class is inheriting one more class. Okay. So we will say extends cat, not animal. So baby cat is extending cat and cat is extending animal. Okay. Now we have a method over here as void weep, and I say sys out weeping. Okay. Now I'll have a main method here, and I say baby cat c equal to new baby cat. Okay, and I say c dot weep. Okay, this it will do because it is this class, it is using the same. So this is simple, right? See, we created an object and we are using its method. Let's try to have the methods of our parent class, that is the cat and the animal. So now before that, as we saw in this, we have used a variable name, so you need to define that. So what I will do is c dot name equal to baby kitty. Okay, now when I try to do a c dot show, and our earlier method was c dot eat. Okay, now let's run this and see. So the first one is weeping, as we saw this. Then it is taking my name is baby kitty. This is coming from our cat class, and c dot eat, it is coming from our animal class. So baby cat is extending cat, cat is extending animal. So this becomes your multi-level inheritance. If you have any doubts, please let me know in the comment section. So now let us see hierarchical inheritance. So we'll create one more class as dog, which will extend animal class. So we saw in the diagram, it is two classes inheriting from the same parent. Okay, so now we have class cat and class dog inheriting animal. Again, we'll have the same method, void show how we had in cat. So I'll just give it a sys out. Similarly, my name is plus name. Okay, and we'll have a main method. We'll create an object of this class. D dot name equal to, let's just say as Tommy. Okay, the brackets. Yeah. And now let us say D dot show and D dot eat. Now let us run this. So my name is Tommy and I can eat. So now as we saw in the cat class also, we have the same way. Okay, so it is two classes inheriting from the parent class. So this is hierarchical inheritance. So two classes can get inherited from one, but one class cannot inherit multiple classes. That is what Java does not support multiple inheritance, and why it does not support and how can we achieve it in a different way in Java, we will be seeing in the next tutorial. Hopefully this was understood. If you have any doubts, please let me know in the comment section below. If you're also interested in AWS tutorials, I'm doing a tutorial on AWS Cloud Practitioner, as well as I have shared my AWS Solution Architect exam strategy. Please check it out. So let's codify with Sonal in the next video. Till then, stay happy. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you get a notification of the updated video. Thank you.